for joining us.
Yay!
Sandalia's Craft House, come and see what's up in there, cause you have fun and learn with the teachers everywhere.
Hey, Purple, do you want to make a snowman?
Yes, I do.
But if you want to go out, you have to put warm clothes on.
Yes, it's true, because it's winter, it's cold.
Really cold, it's freezing. So,
you have to put your coat. This is a coat. Then you have to put on your hat. This is a hat. And finally, you have to put on your
scarf.
scarf. This is a scarf.
So I think we were ready.
Ooh, lovely.
Much better now.
Oh, yes. So, before we go, shall we sing a song?
Yes, good idea.
Okay. So, all together. 1, 2, and 3. Put on your coat. Put on your hat. Put on your scarf. Let's go for a walk. Put on your coat. Put on your hat. Put on your scarf. Let's go for a walk. Bye-bye.